Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Robinhood Legend. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, as you can see here, we are in the Robinhood support articles. And basically, this is article about how to set up your Robinhood Legend. And basically, there are two ways. If you don't already have an account or if you are new at Robinhood, you can just go to the Legend and then start creating your investing account. And basically, that will be needed to start creating your account from scratch and adding your personal information. You should verify your identity and add funds to your account, etc. And then you will be able to start using Legend. Otherwise, if you already have a Robinhood account, you will need just to go to the Robinhood Legend. As you can see, this is will be your homepage. And basically, you can just click on Try Robinhood Legend. So I'm just going to click on it and let's just go to the Robinhood legend here and they will take us to it. And simply you will find the Robinhood view and basically it will be something similar to this. And then you will be redirected to here, or you can just click on Robinhood Legend as follow, and then you will need just to click on Unlock Legend. And make sure that you are eligible to use Robinhood Legend, and then you will need just to follow the on-screen instruction to complete setup. It means just some preferences, etc. And then you will be able to customize your experience. So basically, Robinhood Legend will be similar to this and you will be able to have many customization and many tools that you can use in your charts in reading your graphs, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.